Today, I'll walk you through how to add a product in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add a product so you can streamline your inventory management and enhance your business operations. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Once you're in, take a look at the top menu. Here, you'll want to click on Sales and then select Products and Services. Think of this as your digital storefront where all your items are neatly organized. Now to add a new product, click on the New Item button. This is like opening a fresh page in your product catalog. You'll be prompted to enter a product code and a product name. Imagine this as giving your product its own unique identity and label, making it easily recognizable in your inventory. You can also add a description, which acts like a brief story about your product, and enter the cost price and sale price if needed. This step is crucial for accurate pricing and profitability analysis. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core steps remain the same. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review the information. It's like proofreading a document to ensure everything is accurate before publishing. If everything looks good, click Save to create the product. Congratulations, your new product is now added to your products and services list. It can be seamlessly used in quotes, invoices, and other transactions, much like having a new tool in your business toolkit. That's how to add a product in Xero. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.